You are first of all spiritual beings. Every person, even the most evil and blasphemous person, has within him a spiritual heart and a spiritual mind, and therefore possesses the potential to communicate directly with me. You are, first of all, spiritual beings with a physical body, physical entities, living in a physical time dimension, but spiritual beings also, encapsulated in a physical body. Try to communicate therefore with me, share your complete life with me in every situation. I am your first heavenly Father and Mother. I created you to have feelings, emotions, experiences that only you, who have a physical body, and can have substantial experience of them, can convey to me spiritually. For example, the happiness of playing sports, playing the piano, doing physical exercises. It's the purpose of creation also for me as well, and it serves to perfect me, and I can do it uniquely in the past, present and future through each and every spiritual being, every person, my son and daughter. Therefore, please share with me all the ideal things, joy and happiness, that you experience in your physical life. The Bible teaches in Genesis 2:7 that I have breathed into the nostrils a life breath, and man became a living soul. From birth therefore, you can spiritually, and your spiritual senses, can interact directly personally with me. The sharing between us starts from your and my heart and will evolve for eternity without ever ending. You must understand and develop it from yourselves. This is the first blessing to realize. Grow up. No religion, no church, no historical figure, no religious text, can explain and teach how to do it to you, because it is an individual, family, and as humanity growth and perfection. I have always tried throughout history to communicate personally with every human being, even after the fall of Adam and Eve with Lucifer. Immediately after that I first began to communicate with Adam and Eve, Cain, Noah, Moses, Jesus, the Messiah returned in this time. It is also my purpose of existence and my perfecting the heart at a reverso every single person. And no one can uniquely perfect me like you can. Every spiritual being, every person, is a spiritualist and a medium who can interact with me.